Good morning to you all. One more topic in Unit 4, that is orthographic views. Orthographic views means draw front view, top view, side view of an object which is in your mind. Imagine the object, convert that object into the drawing. That concept I am going to introduce today class. Isometric use, one more topic is there, and in 5th unit I will discuss. That is also related to this one, because first start with orthographic views. Draw front view, top view, side view of an object. In the starting of orthographic use, a brief introduction I already gave to you, that is quadrant system, reference planes. Among these 4 quadrants, 2 quadrants are preferable. Those 2 quadrants are first quadrant and third quadrant. Now today all problems based upon first quadrant only. Assume the first quadrant as your reference quadrant. Assume an object in the first quadrant. Draw front view, top view, side view of that object. That means object is converted to the drawing. Any component 3-dimensional U being converted into 2-dimensional U, those are called pictorial U's. Isometric U is one U. Say this is an isometric U. 3-dimensional object, length, breadth and thickness. This has converted into 2D drawing, 2-dimensional drawing. Say, let's see one example problem. Now, what is the main aim of this? Just convert the object into drawing. Let's take what I told. 2 reference planes are formed, 4 quadrants. Just now I tell to you 2 quadrants we using. Those 2 quadrants, say first quadrant, third quadrant. First quadrant, assume object in the first quadrant. Draw front view, say the direction. On the top view, this is the direction. And open and show on a flat surface. Say for example, an XY line. Front view of this object. This is the shape already there. Say apply a light source on this object, that we can call it as, these lines are called projectors. All individual corner of your object, individual corners of an object, draw parallel lines which are projected on the plane. The formed object is the front view. Now this is the front view shape. Front view. So for example, say this is the front view of the top view. Project the front view. Project the front view. This is the top view. This is the top view. Say this is top view. This is front view. Object is 3-dimensional object. Object is like this one. This is the object. This is the object. So assume the object, draw its front view, top view. This is our today concept. These views are called pictorial views. Front view, top view, pictorial views. So this is the concept. First angle projection. First angle means with reference to the XY line. With reference to the XY line, front view, top view. Say this is first quadrant system. Similar manner, X, Y, say this is top view, this is front view, this is Q3 system. Let us observe the third quadrant. Third quadrant, assume the object in third quadrant. To the front view, right, observe this front view is below XY line. Now this is the reference line, this is the XY line, and below the XY line is, so let's see this. So this is the reference line, XY line. With this XY line, now just observe the reference line concept, right. Now this is about object is converted into the drawing. 20 components are available in a machinery. All components are separately draw their individual drawings. The individual drawings are sent to the factory. In the factory, they converted these drawings into components. Those components are assembled after that. Finally, that is the final machinery. First machinery, identify the mission. That mission consisting of 100 components. Draw individual components drawing separately. Prepare individual components separately. Once all components are prepared, then add those components according to the sequence, that we can call it as a assembly drawing. For mechanical students in the second year, assembly drawing is there. Now how the individual parts are joined, separate drawing available for mechanical, and they do their drawings apart from this geometrical drawing in the first year. Mission drawing, production drawing, separate drawings are available. So today concept is draw front view, top view of an object. Select simple objects and try to draw their front view, top view. Just taken a simple object. Now this is the object, like a L shape object. Now arrow indicates the front view, side view and top view. Now this is the actual working drawing. This is an imagination. Now the person has a component in his mind. That component is this one. This component is this one. This component convert into the drawing. What is the shape is available in the front view? This is the shape is available. While looking, so this is the one rectangle. Now this is the front view is available. Right. Observe this one. Now front view, top view, side view. First of all, you just concentrate only two views. Say front view, top view. Front view with reference to the XY line. Right. So let's take. Now with reference to the XY line. Front view. Looking front view, say this is the total height, this is the small height, this is the part. Now say, now this particular part, this rectangle I am going to draw, this rectangle. One more rectangle. Let these hatched lines, let observe these hatched lines. Right. This is the front view. Given this measurement is H. This is the H. This is the one more capital H is given. So this is the capital H. Capital H, total capital H is this one. This is the small capital H. Now top view. Top view of it is a small rectangle and this big rectangle. Let observe. Project this one. Now this gap is your convenient. Any convenient gap. Say any convenient gap, take the convenient gap and start here. So small rectangle, one more big rectangle. This is the top view. Let observe this one and this one. Well, draw the side view, the black shade, maybe right side up to this one. This is the side view. Similar manner, variety of problems there. Just only your responsibility to view in the front view side what is the shape is available, and the top view side what is the shape is available. So that is our concept. So this is the model problem. Now let's start with the first problem. Let assume an object. This is a given problem. Now just conversion of the following pictorial use into orthographic use. Just start with orthographic use. Now front view direction, and this is the top view direction. Top view direction. So side view is not required at present. Only concentrate front view, top view of this object with respect to XY line. XY line. XY line at any height. At any height. Now start with this one. Say for example A, B, C, D, E, F and A. Now this is the, what is the shape is available, that is the shape is available. With this shape just I am going to draw 50 mm, 50, 36 and the one more 18. Now this is 18. No, this is 18, this is 18. Let observe. So 50 mm. How to draw this one? First horizontal line starting any point. 50, 50, 36, 36 and no 24 minus 50. So this is 26. This length, that one. That means this line, then again go to Q and R, Q and R again 18, Q and R again 18, Q and R. Right. Then complete. This is the front view. Front view of this one, and project the top view. Project, that means, say for example, say this length is 50, then finally we will give the numerical value. Finally, we will give the numerical value of this one. First complete the top view. Top view means project the front view. So take an X gap, any X gap, from here to just close it. This is a convenient gap. From here onwards, what is it? This length 36 from this measurement. Top view, we say it is a slab of a building. This top surface, both are visible. Now extend 36. From particular this line to draw. Now this is the one rectangle, this one. This is the another rectangle, this one. Now two rectangles. So this is that. That means while preparing you, right, for example, this line is not required. For example, while you having a facility to draw with H and HB pencil. Now this is the one. Use H pencil, or otherwise a different color I will use. Right. So this is projector line. Our object is, this is the white color is our object. Say this is the front view, this is the top view. Numerical value, just assign the numerical value 50. So this is 50. Now this is 36. 36, 26, 26, 24. This is 18. Now this is the required. Now highlight the white color object is our result, front view, top view of this casting. This is the a casting pieces, a model, a component used in any machinery. The drawing are these one, front view, top view. So simply while looking this one, what is the shape of P, Q, R, S, T, U. So this is the front view. This is the front view. Top view. So this is the top view, right? This is the one and this is the one. Front view, top view of a object. So this is the first problem. Now let's see similar way any type of problems easy to solve. Let's see the next problem. Now draw front view, top view of this diagram. In terms of arrow indicates the front view direction. Arrow indicates the front view direction. In this front view direction, what is the shape of the dot? That is the there is a designed surface is there in this particular component. That design shape is the front view of that particular component. Top view, the top, only this rectangle, this slope area and one more rectangle. This is the top view, entirely one rectangle will come. Now let's start with this component. How to draw this one? Draw the XY line. XY line. Start with front view, starting one corner, 50, 8, backward direction 10, then stop. We don't know how to draw this slope line. Now start with the 50, say for example, 50, vertical line, 8 mm, then in backward direction, in backward direction 10 mm, 10 mm. So I don't know how to draw this line. Stop there. Again there is a one more vertical line is there in this other left side. You can draw this line. Can draw this line. Draw this line at a 25 height, 25 mm height. From there to there one more horizontal line is there. Say the length is 15 mm. Now draw horizontal line 15 mm. 15 mm. Now this point already there. This point is already there. Just simply join that slope line. Let observe that this is the front view of this diagram. Front view. So simple, the dots are there. The dots shape is this one. So this is 50, 8 mm, 10 mm. Stop there. Again come here. So 25 mm. Say this is 15 mm and draw the line. Then again projector lines. Right. Then draw the projectors, front view to top view, projector, projector, projector. At a convenient gap, though, so these are all projectors. So here also one projector line. From here to one more projector line will come. Then remaining, start that, what is the shape, what is the overall measurement of this one? 35 and 50. 35 and 35 and this is the 50 will come, right? So same. Then from here to this is the one line, this is the one more line. Now this is the top view. Let observe how many rectangles are there. This is the 115 mm. This is the 15. This is the 15. This is the 10 mm. Clear? So remaining length, this is the slope line. Now this is about the front view, top view of a given diagram. Then give the numerical value with H pencil. 25. Then this is the 15. 15. This is 10 mm. Now this is 8 mm. Again this is what is the length of this one? 50. Right. So remaining values are already there. Now complete this concept. Right. So this is about the front view, top view of a given diagram. Front view, top view of a given diagram. Complete this diagram with a H and HB pencil combination. Once you complete the diagram, just highlight the result and finally give the numerical value. Let's see the next problem of, right. Now one more problem in this pictorial use. Convert this component into 3 views: front view, top view or side view. Front view, top view. How to draw front view, top view? Just see that, read that object thoroughly. Start with the front view, then complete the top view with the combination of vertical lines and horizontal lines. Let's see the front view direction. X direction, we say it is a front view direction. In the front view direction, let this problem, let me assume, first of all, you the bottom part only. Assume this is a rectangle. Don't consider this particular part. Say 20, 25, 25. This extended part considered initially. Don't consider the extension part. Only this part assume. First draw the front view of this part. Front view of this part is 75 is the length, and again 12 mm is the height. 12 mm is the height. In the front view, just start with. Now draw front view, top view this object. What I told, only considered 75 and 12 mm thickness of this plate. This plate. Assume this plate 75. 75 also can draw 3 lines type combination. 25, 25 and 25. So 3 way, because in middle there is a separate shape is there. To accommodate that shape, first draw 3 lines combination. Say for example 25, 25 and 25, right, and vertical 12 mm, this 12 is equal to this 12 mm. Let observe. First complete this one, then observe on this top there is a 25 extension is there, from this end to 25, then again horizontal line 20, then stop there. This slope line, I don't know how to draw the slope line, but another one more procedure is available. From this end to 20 mm, this is the part. From this end to draw, so I identify this point to this point I already identified 20 mm and this is the 25 mm. So draw this slope line. This is about the front view. front view, just observe one line, second line, third line, fourth line. So, but what is that? At a 25 mm, just this is the 25 mm, 25 mm, one more 25 mm. This is exactly front view of this diagram. Now, line, another line, another line, another line. So, this is about the front view of this diagram. Top view. So, project, while project lines are drawn with H pencil. Project, first overall, any convenient gap. Now, this is the 75 mm. Now, overall rectangle measurement, only overall rectangular measurement 75 by 50. Now, 75 completed, remaining 50. This line is not correct. Now, so this is our HB pencil line. Then 50. And there is a slot is there. This 50, this 75, it's not possible to draw like this one. Okay, right. Then draw 25, 25, 25. From here to one more line. Project this line. Then this line. This line. So, from here to is the one line, is the one more line. Say in 12 mm depth is there from here to 12 mm. Now, remove these lines, right. Let us observe this one. What the shape is available? That shape is already formed. Now, this particular part, remaining part is 25 mm from here to draw the line, right. From here to draw a line, right. Then from here to, right, this is the one. Then again one more line, this from this particular point to right up to projector line. Then this is again required line. Then remove the unnecessary, this is not required, this is not required. Now, this is about required object, front view, top view. Let us observe the same similarities will match front view, top view. So, this is the way to draw the front view, top view of a given diagrams. Just simply give the numerical value. So, with H pencil, this height you know, this is also you know, this is also you know. Then overall measurement this is, and from here to 25, 25, 25. Say this is the 25, this is the 25, this is the 25, 25, 25 and 25. From here to here this is the 20. So, here also 20. This vertical height is 25. Vertical height is 25. So, this is the 12 mm. So, this is the way to give the numerical value required to complete your drawing. Very simple concepts or simple objects need to finish easily. Let us see the one more diagram. This we can call it as a staircase problem. Steps, there are steps are there. These steps we can finish with the direction. Now, what is the shape of, what is the overall measurement? Think the overall measurement, front view, top view, first finish it. Overall measurement, first front view, top view, finish it. Say XY line. So, 104, 48. First complete this one. So, 104, 48. Front view direction. So, 24. This is the shape. Let us observe this one. This is the shape is available. So, from here to one more line. So, this is the front view. Top view, draw the top view. So, project this one starting here. starting here is the top view. Top view, what is the shape? Write the shape. Again, this is the way you finish it. Once you completed the previous two problems, remaining problems is to draw with the previous concept. This is about pictorial use preparation. Draw the pictorial use. Any component will give, not only the practiced one. Any such type of components will give in the examinations. Only the object is in front of you. View the object. That means the open book type of. That means everything is available in front of you. How to draw while looking those? Just observation is required. Observe the diagram. What is looking in the front view? What is looking in the top view? Similar way, arrange all these components in a X, Y reference planes based. So this is about orthographic use. Draw front view, top view, known as pictorial use. Isometric view is converted into orthographic use. Isometric view convert into orthographic use. In the next class, I will start opposite of this one. I will give front view, top view. You have to draw single view. That is called isometric view. Now I started orthographic use. Now the next class in the 5th unit, I will start isometric use. That means I will give these front view, top view. Ask you to draw single view. That we can call it as isometric view. These two are called orthographic use. Next class I will start the isometric use. First of all, today you practice these diagrams thoroughly. Then we will start the next concept. Keep on practicing all these type of problems. Any simple model, assume in your mind, draw the front view, top view. I will send this assignment to your WhatsApp and prepare these diagrams and send to me for verification. Thank you. Thank you very much.